Learn about lighting tips to avoid pitfalls 99% of the time. Remember the 4 basic points of lighting, and even beginners can enhance the ambiance of home lighting. First, the choice of color temperature. Is higher color temperature better? Higher color temperature is not conducive to eye relaxation. Warm colors make people feel more comfortable. The National Architectural Lighting Standard states that in places where people stay for long periods, the lighting color temperature should be below 4000 K. If lighting with a color temperature above 6000 K is used for a long time, it can easily lead to irreversible macular degeneration of the retina. Therefore, the color temperature throughout the house should be controlled between 2700 K and 4000 K. For open spaces like the living room, dining room, corridors, 3500 K can be chosen. For spaces requiring focus, such as the study, kitchen, and bathroom, 4000 K can be chosen. Secondly, the arrangement of lighting. A good lighting effect requires a combination of ambient lighting, accent lighting, and mood lighting to create a sense of spatial layering. Ambient lighting refers to illuminating the space in low-light environments to meet basic needs for daily life and work. Accent lighting is used to illuminate important items in space, with brightness generally higher than the surrounding ambient light. This includes decorative items like paintings, murals, and sculptures, using lighting to highlight them and enhance the sense of spatial layering. Mood lighting is achieved through the reflective effects of indirect light sources, such as concealed light strips in ceiling and wall designs, and wall washing lights on the ceiling or floor. These 3 types of lighting work together to create a well-defined and sophisticated lighting arrangement in the space. Third, the color rendering index. The value of the color rendering index ranges from 0 to 100. The higher the value, the closer it is to natural light, which is important for high-end restaurants, exhibition halls, luxury stores, and so on. The color rendering index of lighting is generally above 98. For home lighting, the color rendering index should reach 90 to make objects appear more delicate and realistic. Fourth, the beam angle. Different beam angles are suitable for different scenarios. For example, spotlights are used for general lighting, and a beam angle of 60 degrees can illuminate a larger area. If it is used for accent lighting, the beam angle should be controlled below 36 degrees. The same applies to light strips. A larger emission angle covers a larger area, while a smaller emission angle reaches further distances. Lighting fixtures with different beam angles should be adjusted according to the actual placement of objects. Remember, in a continuous space, the color temperature of the lighting should be kept as consistent as possible to prevent too many color temperatures from making it look cluttered. Follow me to learn more interesting lighting knowledge.